What's good, y'all? Back with the first video. Give y'all a little update on the IS 335. Finna go get some gas real quick, but I'll let you know once we get there. I got a nice little spot to show y'all that I'm gonna get some clips. Back at the natural habitat. Shit, the 340. Got the IS right here. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more once we get to the spot. Made it to the top. Show y'all a little bit how the view looking. See the whole Bay Bridge. It's hella foggy, but straight down that way. But today, I'm finna talk to y'all about the IS single turbo. This is it right here. Engine bay. Has a docrace 6.4, 6.6, M340. Sheesh. This motherfucker different right here. Give y'all a little walk around the whole car. It's a little confusing doing this YouTube shit. I don't really know what the fuck to talk about. We're just gonna keep blabbering. Yeah, a whole 360 of the whip. We got carbon fiber diffuser, a little carbon fiber splitter down here. All on the other side too. We got a, what's that, a high kick spoiler, I guess you could say. It's pretty clean though. I just picked up these last week. Pretty clean. Some 18 by 10s all around. Tires are hella big. Hitting the front right here. We're gonna fix that soon though. Some smaller tires. Gotta get a restoration kit for the headlight. Left side's foggy as shit. Pretty much, that's it. Ain't shit else done to it. What's good, y'all? About to give y'all like a little point of view drive, sound clip, or whatever y'all want to call it. And y'all show y'all how that car sounds. What's good, y'all? Back at the house. It's gonna damn near be the end of the video. Let me know if y'all fuck with it though. I'm gonna try to make as much content as I can for y'all. If y'all fuck with the point of view drives or the just random YouTube shit basically. But yeah, it's gonna be the end. Till next video, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side.